lot of shopping. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria. So I actually did a lot of online shopping because I like buying stuff that I don't really need. Let's just get into the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the shoes because I actually got a lot of shoes. I'm starting off with these. These are the Steve Madden candies and they look like the Gucci. They're like the Gucci dupe. They're really cute. Okay, actually scratch that. They're not cute at all. I don't know how to style these, so they're not cute to me. I got these in a size 9. They're a little big for me. I am normally a 7.5. I don't know why I sized up 2.5 sizes, but like,
I really wanted them.
And I saw that this lady was selling them for $30, so I was like, hold up. I'm gonna go ahead and try them and see if I like them, and I don't like them. I really want to like them, like they're cute. They're cute right here, but like in the try on clip, they're a little big on me. That's obviously my fault because I bought them too big. I really wanted to like these because I was so excited when they came in, but no. Okay, I just want to point out that all of the shoes I got were Steve Madden. So these are cute. They're in the Stacy style. The only complaint I have about these is that, you see that bottom heel? Like, it's a little crooked, and I don't know how to fix her because it's too hard to twist. So they're like your basic nude heel, and I don't have any nude heels, so I decided to go ahead and buy a bunch of them. But yeah, these are so cute. I like how they look on. The only thing is I have to buy a non-slip pad for the sole because they are kind of slippery, and I hope I don't fall in the try-on clip, but yeah. And I made a big mistake. This shoe and this shoe, they're sisters. I thought it was gonna be like a shorter heel, so that's why I bought it. Oh my gosh, I'm a shoe hoarder. Oh wow. So yeah, these are what they look like, and they're super cute. They just have this little like this cross detailing on them. They hug your foot and they make it look a little sexy. So yeah, these are really cute, and I like them both. When I say I got a bunch of nude heels, I wasn't joking. I also got these. I also got these. These are the Steve Madden Irenes, and they are in the color nude. I got these in a 7.5. I like how they look, and they're really comfortable. I actually wore them out already, and I really like them. Probably gonna get them in the black leather too. This is one of the items that I got from my thread order. It's this express chiffon off the shoulder top, which I thought was so cute, so I decided to pick it up. And along with that, I also picked up this Free People New Romantics eyelet top. It's cute. I really like how it's drapey. You can see that, like it drapes on both sides, which is like cute as heck. And I'm definitely gonna wear this if we ever get out of quarantine, but if not, I'll just wear this at home. And I have already worn this at home. So the next item I haven't tried on yet. It's this River Island top in a size 8. So this is what it looks like, and it's really cute. It has these like pearl floral detailings on the collar, and it's a deep V. And it's this pinstripe material. It has a ruffle on the bottom just to make it look a little bit. And it also has this like embroidered detailing all on the chest area. So I got this ASOS top. It's like the other one, but this one's just a different style. It has the eyelet detailing on it, and it is see-through too. I like this a lot. I already won this one, and it cinches right here, so like your food baby is hidden. I like both of those tops because like they're very flowy and you're not really like sucked in by anything. But it also has a zipper. You're able to zip yourself up and zip yourself out of this top.
So there were 2 items that came in the mail after I recorded this. The first one is this Brandy Melville butterfly top, and this fits kind of small. And the next item is this gorgeous Victoria's Secret corset. I love the sequin and lace detail, and I plan to wear this over a black shirt or a bralette with a leather jacket. It is so gorgeous.
So the first dress is this ASOS dress. It's a size 4. I love this dress so much. When I put it on, I freaked out. This dress is so hard to put on and take off, but it's so cute. It's so cute when it is on. It has these bell-bottom sleeves, and also it cinches at the waist because there's an adjustable like corset kind of detailing on the side, on both sides. so you can really snatch that waist. It just has so many hidden details on it, and it just makes it even more flattering and make me love it even more because it's just so pretty. Now onto the bottoms. I got this Calvin Klein skirt. It has the tags on it, everything. It's brand new. The only thing is it's white, so like if dust gets on it or if my dog's hairs get on it. But yeah, I thought it was cute. I mean, it's a good deal, but it's so cute. It's really cute. I'm really happy I got that because I got a really good deal on it too. The next item, brand new with the tags, Tommy Hilfiger. We got a Tommy Hilfiger size 4 denim skirt with some like distressing at the bottom. I don't know how I like this yet because I don't really like denim skirts. They tend to just do this thing where they like go on my butt and then they flicker out and it just looks awkward. So I hope these look good. I don't know, but they're so cute. I decided to get them because they have that little flag detailing on the pocket, the front pocket, and then they have the like Tommy logo on the butt pocket. I like them. I like them, and I hope I wear them. They're really cute. I'm just scared that I'm gonna get them dirty because they're white. So we'll see. I have one more item. I got Levi wedgie jeans. Oh, yay! I got Levi wedgies, and I don't know if they're fake or not, but whatever. These are what they look like. They have the tags on them. They were originally in the store $98, and she might have got them during their warehouse sale, but I went in the warehouse sale and nothing was available on my side. I was specifically looking for wedgies or like the high-waisted ones. I think they're called the rib cage style, but I couldn't find those. So I looked at Poshmark and she had them for so cheap. I was so happy. I was so happy. These are beautiful. I'm so happy I got them. Like, I'm really happy. They're probably my new favorites. Like, one of my new favorite jeans. Besides my bongo jeans, because my bongo jeans are my favorite jeans ever. I love those jeans, but anyway. So yeah. I think that's everything. If you liked the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below which piece was your favorite. And send me suggestions on what to make. Like, I would really love to hear some of your ideas on what you really want people to make more of. My next video, I'm planning to make a DIY face mask tutorial. So if you're interested in that, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and yeah. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye!
It's just a game.